Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good and paper has come, I mean response sheet has come and let's solve the response sheet. And in this video I'm going to solve only the aptitude because I have very lack of time because I'm completely fully loaded with classes, but I found time somehow to at least to upload for general aptitude, and by night I will solve remaining and I'll upload. So guys, first thing, very important information, our batches started. I mean if you want to prepare for 2022, batches started now. 19th, I mean tomorrow 6 p.m. We have our first batch. Already a demo got over on 14th February, and we are starting tomorrow our first batch. And if you are interested to join another demo for the second batch and third batch and upcoming batches, you can text me directly +916380135260. This is my phone number. You can also give me a message, WhatsApp message, and then we can have a personal demo class for you, and then you can join upcoming batches. And fees is we have reduced this year. Fees is 20,000 for the entire session, and you'll be getting online material, everything, and classes will be only online. We don't have offline centers now. Let's start the question. Question 1, and very sorry I could not upload the solution in when we got the response sheet. Only thing is I am fully loaded from the morning. I have regular classes. So let's start the question. In first question we got question 1 and option 1 and option 4 was correct. Arun and Aparna, R will be there because we are using two nouns here and we are using and here. So for two nouns it becomes a plural sentence, and Arun's family is a singular, so here we have is. So 1 and 4 is the right option. So 1 and 4 is clubbed in fourth option. So we'll go for the next, and in next we have this author question. Now in this author question, the right option is the author is of the opinion that rehearsing is important for all the three people. Right now in this option may shuffle in different exam papers, so that's why I'm reading the question. This question where all the three are under the opinion, that option is correct, right? Go for next. This was very easy question. There was a triangle and 4 parts and something. So this is 144 root 3. Guys, I am not giving solution here properly because just right now these options from my side, these options are correct. Once the official key will they will develop the official key, then we will solve properly, because I know that I do numerical mistakes. So I may do mistakes, but in aptitude that definitely there is no mistake. Aptitude question you can take. In core I'll upload after this. So go for the next question. In next question, you can see here this cube question. Two identical cube shaped dice with each faces numbered 1 to 6 are rolled simultaneously. The probability of the even number blah blah things 1 by 4. Very easy question. 1 by 4 is the right option, guys. 1 by 4 is the right option. So option the question 5 now. 4 persons PQRS. Again, this is a probability question. You can also consider this as permutation combination question, and 18 is the right option. Now we'll go for next question number 6, and maybe in your question paper questions are also shuffled, right? So question paper code will be different. That's why. Now in this question, pi by 2 minus 1 is the right option, and we'll go for next question. In next question we have this question. Guys, question number 7. This is very easy question actually. Now see here, whatever is written there, for that we have a trick. Trick is nearest point will be nearest. If you consider this as mirror, so mirror image, for near point it will be near image, and for farthest point will be farthest image. And if you have curve like this, your curve will be like this. If you have line like this, line like this. So like these are the tricks. So here only you can draw directly, you can draw its image, and that will match with the second option, right? You can see the second option. Now we'll go for question number 8. This footballer and cricketer question. This was very easy question. And now in this question also, question number option number 3. But don't go with the numbers, you go with the sentences, because in different question papers option will be with different marking. So some football players play hockey. This is the right option. And 2 more questions are remaining. So now on planar field, when you read the complete question, it takes time to understand and to draw these things. Definitely question is highly easy, but finally you will land to the Pythagoras triangle, and then you will find out 3 is here, 4 is here, and you can take the 5, right? 5 is the right option. Then we go for the simple question. Plus and this dot are denoting two operators P and Q, such that these are, you can see the dot is representing negative and plus is representing the multiplication. So finally when you will solve this numerical, you will be getting minus 40. This question was also very easy. So now in part 2 we'll be seeing completely the core question. Again I am saying from tomorrow we are starting a new batch. That is the first batch of 2022, right? So GATE Aerospace 2022 is starting tomorrow 6 p.m. So if you want to join, tomorrow demo is not possible, but tomorrow is our first batch. So if you are a fresh student, you can join the first class as a demo class, and or you can also wait for the upcoming batches and you can have your personal demo. And I have given the number, and you can see other things in the description. Thank you so much.